No trucks in the left lane today. No trucks in the left lane. Well, anytime, I guess.
Outside the box, way outside the box. So there's a rare exotic animal place in California that people come and pay to come and see the different exotic animals.
Tiger King.
Yeah, not in California, not Oklahoma. So I know that. That's wrong. I didn't know that. But
you were right.
Anyway, I'm correcting you on the location. Anyway, so this guy says, how about if
Really? You're going to try that? What the fuck are you doing?
A few moments later.
Hey, what are you doing up there? Speed limit's 55, dude. You know, let me in. Okay, good. The fuck is that? I guess someone lost a pallet or a truckload of mulch. At first I thought it was blood, but nope, it's mulch. Dude, you gotta move over. Well, you didn't move over. Oh well. You get to be in the video.
He watched the old black and white footage of
I thought he was exiting.
Of field goal kicking.
Oh, that
Back in
guy.
the day, people
Douchebag.
used to kick straight on.
A few moments later.
As quick as you can. Here, pick up this refrigerator. Can't imagine what the rehab was. So he then played from after his back injury 61 to 67. Now here's the thing about this guy. He was the first guy that could accurately hit from beyond 40 yards and could hit a 50-yarder.
Frick?
And up until Lou Groza came along. And could kick the ball.
Now you're not in a hurry. Come on. There you go.
This is great. He was basically the first Adam Vinatieri. Okay? Because the Cleveland Browns were in the All-American Football Conference the entire 4 years that league existed. 46, 47, 48, 49. All right? The Cleveland Browns won all 4 of those league championships. 12, Section 3, Article 1, which prohibits a player from removing his helmet while on the field. The rule was informally named after Smith, the Hall of Fame running back who had a habit of removing his helmet to celebrate
he's gonna keep
touchdown,
going, aren't you?
including after the TD he scored on
Of
his
course you
first
are.
carry of the 1995 season.
Although this
Quote, "I had
green
just
light
come
is
off a serious
remarkably
injury, and all I
short
read
for the
about
amount of
was how I
trucks that pull
supposedly
in
had
here.
lost a step, that I was on the down.
Really? You're behind a big truck and you can't see the light.
Biggest seats. We're eating Chinese because we can't go home. It was either sleep here or stay up all night in an after-hours dance club.
Okay, I guess you
We
wanted to
don't
go that
dance
way.
clubs. Tyler says the music is so loud it bothered him tonight. Tyler lies back and asks, if Marilyn Monroe was alive right now, what would she be doing? I say goodnight.
Pay attention! Get off your
The
phone!
headliner hangs down.
Whoa, jeez.
You done messed up, Aaron!
You are not a beautiful and unique snowflake. That's your broken heart. Because Tyler's
Is that
dumped
no
it.
turn on red?
Because my father dumped it.
There you go.
It's been so disruptive, so abrupt, so frightening, so disorienting, but it's only been 37 days, right? Everything in context and everything in perspective. I know it's tough to get up every day, and it's like Groundhog Day, living through this bizarre reality that we're in. It's even more difficult, I think, with the weather changing, and you feel the seasons changing, and it's getting nicer. And
Holy crap, more. Holy shit, more deers. Don't cross the road, don't cross the road. Yeah, no, don't. I don't want him to dart out in front of me. Wow. Something you don't see every day.
The No Country for Old Men motels that you're going to stay in. All right? And you're going to do whatever
No.
it takes to get there, and you're going to do the equipped in the middle of the day.
I
with
hate this
no
place.
idea there was going to be a show.
All the
You're going to
deers.
stand up there and
Jeez.
It doesn't. It doesn't.
Not for the animals.
Not for the
no.
animals, and not for the machines either. You know, it seems as though it's like
Are you just gonna
really-
sit there?
What you just described
Okay.
is
Yeah, it's green.
our need to be superior.
head, and then I go back and watch it and be like, oh, that was
Nope, no
it's
one
still
wants
not
to
a
make
standard
left
play,
turns
but it's way
anymore,
more
I
standard
guess.
than I had remembered in my head.
It's like I died and went to Jersey.
Which is Range Rovers. All the fucking time. All the fucking time. Now, granted, this was like 10 years ago. I'm not saying they're not making it right now. Because I gotta be honest with you.
That guy up there
That V8.
doesn't know where he's going.
Stadium for Babe Ruth to bring the fucking game back and all of that.
Did not move over. Yeah, move 2 inches into the left lane doesn't count. That's a far cry from a hoopty. I'm just saying.